This app will make your Samsung Galaxy or your Android smartphone feel much better, and the application's name is basically called the Easy Drawer application. So just go to your Google Play Store, download the Easy Drawer app organizer, open it up and then set it up. Then after you've done the steps, you'll be able to see this widget. Now you can add this widget by just long pressing on your home screen, tap on the widgets tab, just go to that Easy Drawer widget here, long press on it and then drag it just like this, and then you'll be able to see the widget over here. The amazing thing about this widget is you might just be saying this is a keyboard. No, this is not only a keyboard. This is a way to launch our applications easily. Let's say I want to launch YouTube, then I'll just type in Y. You'll be able to see all the apps related to that Y. So if I want to open YouTube Studio or I want to open YouTube. Or else the other thing that I can do is, let's say I want to launch Spotify, then I'll just tap on apps over here. You'll be able to see all the apps related to Spotify. I can open up Spotify, I can open up settings. The thing is that you can even customize the appearance of this widget. So you can simply select the keyboard height or scale, you can select icon scale, or you can select icon text scale, or you can select icon padding scale, and then just save the changes, come back, you can turn on search mode, and then you can select items to show, only apps and contacts, apps only, or contacts only, whatever else you prefer. Scroll down, you have reset icon changes. If you come back and then you search for something, you'll be able to see all the contact as well as the applications that the person actually relates to you. And this is really a quick way to launch anything, whether it be an icon, whether it be a contact, or whether it be an application. I'll make sure to drop a link below to download this application. If you want, you can have a look at that. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.